In this video, we'll teach you how to transfer your crypto from your Revolut account to Bybit. First of all, you need to decide which cryptocurrency you want to send from Revolut to Bybit. Most likely you have USDT, so I'll show you how to do it on USDT. First of all, you need to get your crypto wallet address from Bybit account. You need to click on Assets in the top right corner and then select Deposit. Right here, you need to select Deposit Crypto in the top. Then you need to select the cryptocurrency you want to receive on Bybit. In this example, I am showing USDT, so I'll choose USDT. Then I will choose the network. For example, ERC20 because Revolut supports ERC20 network. So I'll choose ERC20 and this is the Ethereum network and I will copy the wallet address. Now you need to open your Revolut account and click on crypto in the bottom menu. Then you need to click on send and find USDT in the list. After that, you need to paste your wallet address. You just copy it on Bybit and you need to choose the Ethereum network. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer and finalize the transaction. In a few minutes, you can check your balance on Bybit. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.